Alright, here we go, gentlemen. I'm going to dispel a couple myths for you right now. I know it's going to be kind of hard to see, but you cannot bottom a level 5 out. This is one of my old level 510s. I'm fixing to rebuild this for Matt, known as Hellbound Train. Before I do that, I want to show you guys a little something. We're going to step on this bad boy right here. You guys see that? It's buckled all the way down. You cannot bottom that woofer out. It just ain't going to happen. So, just for shits and giggles, this is my last round with the level 510. Or at least this one anyway. Let's have some freaking wall socket fun. That was kind of uneventful right there. Yeah, cap's starting to get a little bit warm. Still kicking. Yeah, let's give it another shot. Kind of stinky. And that took it. Yeah, looks like about a minute and a half. Not too bad. Got a little bit of smoke coming out there. Not bad for a wall socket. See you on the flip side. Thor's hammer out.